Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the PS2 character filter thing on TikTok. So for that, you need a third-party app called CapCut. So once you have CapCut, what you can do, just visit my profile. Okay, you will see this PS2 character filter videos. Tap on anyone that you like. On the bottom, you will see the effect link. Tap there. You will be directed to CapCut. Just tap on use template in CapCut. Tap on use template. Browse the picture. Hit next. Wait for it. Okay, and you are done. You can tap on export to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this PS2 filter trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.